Q8180. An aircraft with an empty weight of 1,800 pounds and an empty weight CG of plus 31.5 was altered as follows. 1. Two 1-pound passenger seats located at plus 72 were removed. 2. Structural modifications increasing the weight 14 pounds were made al plus 76. 3. A seat and safety belt weighing 20 pounds were installed at 73.5. And 4. Radio equipment weighing 30 pounds was installed at plus 30. What is the new empty weight CG? A. Plus 30.61. B. Plus 31.61. C. Plus 32.69. The correct answer is B. The new empty weight CG would be plus 31.61. Q8181. An aircraft had an empty weight of 2,880 pounds with a moment of 101,673.78 before several alterations were made. The alterations included 1. Removing 2 passenger seats, 15 pounds each, at plus 71. 2. Installing a cabinet, 97 pounds, al plus 71. 3. Installing a seat and safety belt, 20 pounds, al plus 71. And 4. Installing radio equipment, 30 pounds, at plus 94. The alterations caused the new empty weight CG to move. A. 1.62 inches aft of the original empty weight CG. B. 2.03 inches forward of the original empty weight CG. C. 2.03 inches aft of the original empty weight CG. The correct answer is A. Item aircraft, CFS, remove, cabinet seat radio total weight 2,886. 30, 097, 20, 30, 3,003. Arm moment 35.23 101,673.7871. 2,130, 71. 6,887, 71. 1,420, 94. 2,820, 36.85 110,670.78. The empty weight will increase to 3,003 pounds with the modifications detailed below, and the empty weight CG will relocate to fuselage station 36.85. The empty weight CG was at plus 35.23 before to the ADA ratio phi. The new empty weight CG is 1.62 inches behind the old at plus 36.85. Q8182. If a 40-pound generator applies plus 1,400 inch-pounds to a reference axis, the generator is located A. 35 from the axis. B. Plus 35 from the axis. C. Plus 25 from the axis. The correct answer is B. To solve this problem, we can use the formula. Torque equals force multiplied by distance. We know that the torque is plus 1,400 inch-pounds, and the force is 40 pounds. We can rearrange the formula to solve for the distance. Distance equals torque divided by force. Distance equals plus 1,400 divided by 40. Distance equals plus 35. Therefore, the generator is located plus 35 from the axis. Q8183. In a balance computation of an aircraft from which an item located aft of the datum was removed, use A. Minus weight X plus arm minus moment. B. Minus weight X minus arm plus moment. C. Plus weight X minus arm minus moment. The correct answer is A. When a force generates rotation around a point, it is known as a moment, and signs are used to indicate the rotation's direction. O and plus are given to the situation at hand. A positive moment in an aircraft's weight and balance is one that causes the nose to rise, and a negative moment is one that causes the nose to descend. We have 4 options for the sign of the instant because a moment is the product of weight and distance from the datum, both of which are sign values. 1. A positive weight added, and a positive arm behind the datum, give a positive moment. 2. A positive weight and a negative arm. Arm ahead of the datum. Give a negative moment. 3. A negative weight, weight removed, and a positive arm. Give a negative moment. 4. A negative weight and a negative arm. Give a positive moment. 8183-1. All other things being equal, if an item of useful load located aft of an aircraft CG is removed, the aircraft CG change will be A. Difference between the maximum gross weight and empty weight. B. Difference between the net weight and total weight. C. Sum of the empty weight and the maximum gross weight. The correct answer is B. If an item of useful load located aft of an aircraft's center of gravity, CG, is removed, the aircraft CG will shift forward in proportion to the weight of the item and its location in the aircraft. B. 8184. Datum is forward of the main gear center point. 30.24 inches actual distance between tail gear and main gear center points. 360.26 inches net weight at right main gear. 980 pounds net weight at left main gear. 770 pounds net weight at tail gear. 1,970 pounds. These items were in the aircraft when weighed. 1. Lavatory water tank full, 34 pounds at plus 352. 2. Hydraulic fluid, 22 pounds at minus 8. 3. Removable ballast, 146 pounds at plus 380. What is the empty weight CG of the aircraft described above? To determine the empty weight CG, center of gravity, of the aircraft, we can use the formula. Empty weight CG equals moment sum divided by empty weight. First, we need to calculate the moment for each component. Lavatory water tank full. Moment equals weight multiplied by arm equals 34 pounds x plus 352 inches equals 11,968 inch-pounds hydraulic fluid. Moment equals weight multiplied by arm equals 22 pounds x minus 8 inches equals minus 176 inch-pounds removable ballast. Moment equals weight multiplied by arm equals 146 pounds x plus 380 inches equals 55,480 inch-pounds. Now, let's calculate the total moment. Total moment equals sum of all the moments equals 11,968 inch-pounds. 176 inch-pounds plus 55,480 inch-pounds equals 67,272 inch-pounds. We also need to calculate the empty weight. Empty weight equals net weight at right main gear plus net weight at left main gear plus net weight at tail gear equals 9,980 pounds plus 9,770 pounds plus 1,970 pounds equals 21,720 pounds. Finally, we can calculate the empty weight CG. Empty weight CG equals total moment divided by empty weight equals 67,272 inch-pounds divided by 21,720 pounds is almost equal to 3.095 inches.